Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone volume button not working during calls in iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn on change with button. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap sound and haptics. Turn on change with button. Solution 2. Turn off prevent lock to end call. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap touch. Scroll down, turn off prevent to end call. Solution 3. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. Scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset all setting. Enter your passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution 4. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max and 14. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Thanks for watching this video.